so good. Ready, set, go.
Dump it. Swallow it. The water's gonna make it worse, guys. Guys, let me see your teeth real quick. Are y'all okay?
I never.
You are overreacting.
Move! Spill all over my hand!
Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm posting this to my YouTube account. Are you guys done?
Let's do it again. No!
Really? I'll stop the cinnamon right now. You want to do it again?
No. Okay, turn it off.
Y'all feel better?
It's all over my